Are you looking for a quick and affordable getaway from the bustling city-state of Singapore? Look no further than Batam, Indonesia's hidden gem, just a short ferry ride away. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know to plan your perfect trip from Singapore to Batam. Why Batam? Before we dive into the logistics, let's explore why Batam has become such a popular destination for Singaporeans and international travelers alike. Proximity: just 20 kilometers south of Singapore, Batam is easily accessible for a day trip or weekend getaway. Affordability: your Singapore dollar goes further in Batam, with lower prices for accommodation, food, and activities. Diverse attraction: from pristine beaches to vibrant nightlife, Batam offers something for every type of traveler. Cultural experience: immerse yourself in Indonesian culture without venturing too far from Singapore. Wellness and relaxation: known for its spas and resorts, Batam is perfect for those seeking a relaxing break. Ferry options: the most popular and efficient way to travel from Singapore to Batam is by ferry. Here's what you need to know. Departure points in Singapore. Harbourfront Centre, the main departure point for ferries to Batam. Easily accessible via MRT, Harbourfront Station. Multiple ferry operators available. Frequent departures throughout the day. Tanah Merah Ferry Terminal, an alternative option with fewer crowds. Located in eastern Singapore. Slightly longer journey time but potentially less crowded. Ferry operators. Popular ferry operators include Batam Fast, Majestic Fast Ferry, Sindo Ferry, Horizon Fast Ferry. Pro tip: book your tickets online in advance for the best deals and to avoid queues. Many operators offer e-tickets, making the process even more convenient. Journey duration and schedule. The ferry ride typically takes about 45 to 60 minutes before you set sail. Ensure you have mutes, depending on your departure and arrival points. Ferries operate from early morning, around 6 a.m., until late evening, last ferry usually around 8 p.m. Check the latest schedules as they may vary by season and operator. Arrival points in Batam. Batam has several ferry terminals. The most popular ones are Batam Center Point. Located in the heart of Batam Center, Government Office Area, Batam City Hall, walking distance to Harris Hotel Batam Center and Mega Mall Shopping Center. Harbour Bay. Located in Harbour Bay area and near Nagoya Shopping Area. Sekipang. Ideal if you're heading to Harris Resort Waterfront Batam and near to Tanjung Ankang for shipyard industry. Nangsapura. Perfect for those staying in Nongso area. Immigration and Customs. Before you set sail, ensure you have a valid passport with at least 6 months validity from your planned date of return. Visa on arrival, available for most nationalities, including Singaporeans. Completed arrival card, usually provided on the ferry. Remember to always declare any dutiable goods to avoid penalties. The customs process in Batam is generally quick and straightforward. Getting around Batam. Once you've arrived, you have several options for exploring the island. Taxis, available at all ferry terminals and major attractions. Ride-hailing apps, Gojek and Grab are widely used in Batam. Rental cars or motorbikes, great for exploring at your own pace, international driving permit required. Public buses, cheaper but less convenient for tourists. Pro tip: agree on the fare before starting your journey if using a taxi without a meter. Travel tips. Currency: all transactions are in Indonesian rupiah (Rp). It's best to have Indonesian rupiah. Exchange at authorized money changers for better rates, and you may also use debit/credit cards in most of the places. Language: Bahasa Indonesia is the official language, but English is widely spoken in tourist areas. Weather: Batam has a tropical climate. Pack light, breathable clothing, and don't forget sunscreen and insect repellent. Connectivity: purchase a local SIM card for affordable data and calls. Tipping: not mandatory but appreciated for good service. Sustainability and responsible travel. As responsible travelers, let's protect Batam's beauty. Bring a reusable water bottle to reduce plastic waste. Choose eco-friendly accommodations. Support local businesses and artisans. Respect local customs and dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. Batam offers a perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural experiences. With its proximity to Singapore, affordable prices, and diverse attractions, it's an ideal destination for a quick getaway. Whether you're seeking a shopping spree, a beach retreat, or a cultural immersion, Batam has something for everyone. Remember to check the latest travel advisories and ferry schedules before your trip, as they may change. With this comprehensive guide, you're all set for an unforgettable journey from Singapore to Batam. Enjoy your trip to this Indonesian paradise.